I'm going to do a video of my 52-inch Emerson Legend series ceiling fan in polished brass, and I'll throw in some trivia. It was the successor to the legendary, no pun intended, 1895 series, which is one of my favorite ceiling fans of all time. And basically, it's the offspring of a early to mid 90s premium and an Emerson 1895. So it's got the traits of both the 1895 and the premium. And it can do 4 or 5 blades with the flywheel. Can accept both. And here is the Emerson logo right there. Here's a blade. See, it's oak, reversible to walnut. It's got a very generic canopy. There's a sideband, not much can be said about that. And then there's the face plate. See with the screws, that screams 1895, and there's the flywheel. It's a little bit, I guess they kind of had these drop flywheels right there if you can see it. Reverse switch is over there. Came with, well, it didn't come with a schoolhouse. I decided to add one because I put it in this spot. So it looks really becoming on the fan. And I want to test it with this light. So later I might put a low profile light that I acquired on this one. So let's turn on the light so you can see it illuminated. Wow, that looks really awesome, doesn't it? Extremely awesome. Turn it off. And now we'll get to the fun part. We're gonna rev up the fan. First on low. I would say this was manufactured in the early to mid 90s, given the blade arms. The more generic looking Casablanca blade arms, if I forgot to mention that. Medium. It's really cranking out some air, and that's because it's powered by a Emerson K55 stack motor. And we will try it on high, shall we? I had to adjust the blades to make it run poised. So after a lot of trial and error, now it's starting to run smooth like it should. And it passed the test. I have to document the blades so I install them in that correct order next time so I remember it. Feel that breeze. Wow. This fan's a real tornado on high. And now we're going to power it down. This is a real wind machine. And most Emersons of this era were known for that, and was made in America too, so that's another plus on this fan. And there was another one at the Goodwill I got it at, but the flywheel was like, it was like turned inward, but I did not know how to replace Emerson flywheels, but now I do, so I just need to get one and then Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. Thank you for watching. More to come.